A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Our today's topic is judiciary, and we have to write some short answer type questions. First question: what are the qualifications of the judge of the Supreme Court? Answer: a candidate for the appointment of the judge of a Supreme Court must fulfill the following qualifications. First, he must be a citizen of India. Number second, he must have been educated one or more high courts for the 10 years. Third, he must be a judge of High Court for 5 years. Fourth, if the opinion of the President is disguistional jurist. Question number 2. Mention 4 functions of the Supreme Court. Answer: the 4 functions of the Supreme Court are: the Supreme Court decides election disputes. Number 2, disputes of the President and Vice President. Number 2, the Supreme Court exercise advisory functions. Number 3, the Supreme Court is the court of record. Number 4, record. The Supreme Court has original and appeal jurisdictions. Question number 3. What are the advisory powers of Supreme Court? Answer: Article 113 provides that if any time the appeal to the President that a question of law or fact has arisen on a likely to arise which is possible important, he may refer to the questions to the Supreme Court for the consideration and the opinion. The opinion of the Supreme Court is not binding on the President. Question number 4. State the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Jurisdiction, and this original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court are cases. Answer: cases related to the following matters are brought to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court में कौन से cases? Disputes between the Union and one or more states. Number 2, disputes between the states. Number 3, cases related to the fundamental rights. Number 4, cases involving a point of law. Question number 5. Mention the various verdicts which the Supreme Court can issue for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Answer: the verdict of habeas corpus. Number 2, the verdict of mandamus. Number 3, the verdict of quo warranto. Number 4, the writ of the prohibition. Number 5, the writ of quaternaria. Question number 5 or 6. What do you mean by judicial review? Answer. The essence of the judicial review is the competence of the court of law to declare that constitutionally or otherwise for legislative enactment. Judicial review means that the power of courts to review the acts and other orders of legislative and executive wings to the government and to declare them. The essence of the judicial review is the competence of the court of the law to declare the constitutionally or otherwise of legislative enactment. Judicial review means the power of the courts to review the acts and other orders of legislative and executive wings of the government and declare them. Question number 7. The Supreme Court is the highest court of appeal. Discuss. Answer. The Supreme Court has appellate judge jurisdictions on the decision of the high courts and those other tribunals. The Supreme Court can grant specially permission to appeal from any judgment or order in any case or matter passed any court or tribunal in the territorial of India. The Supreme Court is the highest court to appeal. Thanks.